one spiritual guru, very, very famous. He was asked by someone, my dear Swamiji, what is your opinion about A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, founder Acharya of ISKCON Society? Now you see, there are unlimited qualities of Prabhupada. He is like a commander-in-chief of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the foremost warrior of preaching mission. Thousands and thousands of people have become devotees. So this Swamiji was asked about Prabhupada. He said, yeah, he's a good Swami, but his English accent is not good. He forgot everything. He just took out one line. He said, yeah, his English accent is not good. You don't understand who this personality is. This Swami Prabhupada, he's such a powerful Acharya with his two arms. He stopped the flow of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga was moving with the full speed. He has his power and his whole kingdom belongs to him. And he is ruling. But after Parishit Maharaj was the only hindrance for Kali Yuga. So then somehow the Kali Yuga got rid from Parishit Maharaj, and then he started his chariot with full speed. And suddenly he got some jerk, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also disappeared. Then he said, now no problem, Parishit Maharaj left, even Mahaprabhu Chaitanya also is now gone. Now there is no trouble. Then he finds after 500 years, oh my God, here is a bulldozer, like a mountainous personality. Who is he? Mahaprabhu Chaitanya, Srila Prabhupada, just like Bhishma, he stopped the flow of Mother Ganga with his arrows. Prabhupada, with his two hands raised, he stopped Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga literally became confused. So what to do next? He said, Swamiji, we know we cannot stop you. But at least we are trying to reduce your speed. You are going with such a speed. And if you remain here for long, I don't know whether I'll have to disappear from this world. And what kind of mission you have? Goloka Express, direct Golok Vrindavan. No heavenly planet, nothing. You just touch the people, introduce them the highest Hare Krishna mantra, just chant Hare Krishna mantra, you become free from all the sinful reactions, and your journey towards Golok Vrindavan began. So, when Prabhupada with such a full speed, one of Prabhupada's disciples said, this material nature was not cooperating with Prabhupada. They wanted to stop Prabhupada, and therefore the material nature sometimes did not cooperate with Prabhupada. So therefore you will find, some accent is not perfect, or there are so many troubles put in Prabhupada's life, and then struggles. The material nature and Kali Yuga, they wanted to stop Prabhupada. But Prabhupada's devotion is so high, he couldn't be stopped by anyone. So, although he is such a warrior, he is personally chosen by Krishna, but the Kali Yuga people, unfortunate, how will they understand the glory of pure Vaishnava?